A chord is a group of notes played at the same time. The distance or intervals between the notes that are in the chord will determine its type. There are major, minor, and many other types of chords. Chords come out of scales. The most common scale that we find is the major scale. It will be helpful to think of this scale in terms of steps or degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 again, or 8. If I play the notes of this scale skipping, in other words, I play 1 but not 2, I play 3 but not 4, and then I play 5, I get 1, 3, 5 of the scale. Those three notes together sound like this, and they form a triad or a major chord. The seventh would be the next step if we continue the process of skipping like this. 1, 3, 5, 7. Those at the same time form a major seventh chord. Again, there are different types of thirds, fifths, and sevenths, and many types of different chords. Inversions occur when I change the order of the notes like this. Let's start with our triad, the C triad. Remember I said this is made of 1, 3, 5. So the lowest note of this triad is 1. This triad is said to be in root position. Root is another name for 1. 1 is the note that gives the name to this triad. This is a C, this is a C triad. If I put the third on the bottom as the lowest note of the chord, I get 3, 5, and now 1. So this is in a different order. The lowest note on this chord is E. This is called a C chord in the first inversion, or C over E. Let's keep going. If I put the fifth on the bottom, 5, then 1, and then 3, this is said to be on the second inversion. This is C in the second inversion, or C over G. This chord and its inversions are in close position. That means that the notes are as close as possible to each other. Chord tones can also be spread in a wider range, and by doing that we get open voicings. Because of how the guitar is laid out, a lot of times open voicings are easier to play, especially for seventh chords.